Once again, I welcome you guys to the Make IT Simple YouTube channel. This video is continuation to my previous video, which is learning about Python. If you didn't go through my previous video, just go through it and come back to this video. I have given the video link in the description section. In this video, I'm going to explain the concept of class and constructors with a simple example program. Right away, we'll get into the demo. In my last couple of videos, I explained about what is class and how to define a new type with the help of the class, and how to define these methods inside the body of the class, and also like how to define an attribute, and also like how to create a constructor, how to pass the arguments to my constructors, and how to create the object, and what is self. A self is the reference of the current object, which is same as like holding the reference over here with the variable point. So in this video, I will explain the simple program with the class and its constructor concept. What I'm going to do is like I want to create a class called person, and inside that class type called person, right, I want to define a method called talk just to type some messages, print messages, and also I need to have a attribute called to get the attribute called name. That's it. So what we can do is like we just create a class. How to create a class is like using a class keyword, and then we need to give a class name. Class name is like person. Again, the naming convention should be like a Pascal naming convention. Otherwise, if you have two names, means you should have like a capitalize each word, like person name, like this. And then what I'm going to do is like colon. After the colon, whatever we are giving the code, right, it will be getting inserted to the block of code. Let's see here. And what I'm going to do is like I'm just defining a method, the method name called talk. That's it. And as soon as if I open the parenthesis, the self will be added over here, because self will, as I said, the self will get the reference of the current object, so it should be in the first parameter. That's it. And here I'm just typing the print. That's it. Print message. Print. What I'm doing is like hi talk. That's it. And line two double line spaces. Then what I'm going to do is like I'm just going to get the object over here, like person equal to person. That's it. And what I'm going to do is like I'm just printing the method, whatever available over here, talk. That's it. Let's see what's happening over here. It's getting printed. Sorry, I'm just having the different class. Okay, different file. I'm just running it over here. It just printed hi talk. Now it's just not kind of normal type with the class person and normal method over here. And I create an object, the object stored in a variable, and just access it over here. Now I need to pass the attribute. For that, what I'm going to do is like I need to pass the attribute over here, like for example MS Dhoni, like a name, right? I need to get this in the object over here. For that I have to declare in the constructor. Constructor will be defined over in the top of the class, like with this define double underscore initialization self. That's it. And that should be passed with the parameter name. And again here what the self will do is like self will reference to the current object, like self dot name equal to this name, the argument whatever I passed over here, right, I'm setting it over here. That's it. Let's see what's happening over here, whether the values get it set or not with this attribute person dot name. I'm just printing over here person dot name. And again I'm running it over here. Yes, it is set it in the attribute name, so it is printing. But here in the method, right, this talk, right, it has a simple message I talk, but I want to be a kind of the name whatever you are passing it over here, I need to get it in this message, like hi MS Dhoni, like this. So for that, what I have to do is like I need to alter this method talk. And as I said earlier, right, in the every method in the class should have this parameter self, and that should be in the very first parameter of each method. So with this self, we can get the reference to the current object. This return the name attribute, whatever we are sending to the current person object. For that, what I'm going to do is like I'm just formatting the string, and that's it. Hi, instead of talk, using this placeholder. As I said, right, it will hold it will get the reference of the current object, self dot name. That's it. Now here, instead of printing this one, I'm just removing this. I'm just adding it over here, running this code. See here, hi MS Dhoni. Now it is having this person object. Again, I'm creating one more object called person1. Person1 equal to person. Here I am passing Rohit Sharma. That's it. Again I'm just calling the method person1 dot talk. That's it. Now let's see here it is having printing two methods. So each object is a each object like person and person1 is a different instance of person class. So in this video I explained about the concept of how to create a class and its type, the person, and how to define the methods, and how to pass the attributes, and how to get it in the constructor, and how to get that self object. Self is nothing but it's the reference of the current object. How to get the reference of the current object in all the methods like this, and how to create the two different instances for the current class person. So if you have any doubts on implementing this, just add it in the comment section. I'll be very happy to help you guys. Thanks for watching my video. Have a good day.